Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 1998 to 2001 Audi A4 and S4? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Instrument compartment fuse box. The instrument compartment fuse box in the 1998 to 2001 Audi A4 and S4 manages and protects key interior electrical systems. It powers components such as the dashboard instruments, radio, interior lighting, and climate control. This fuse box ensures safe and reliable operation of various comfort and convenience features inside the cabin. The 13-point relay carrier is a mounting base used in Audi 1998 to 2001 Audi A4 and S4 to hold and organize multiple relays in one centralized location. It typically sits behind the dashboard or under it, often near the fuse panel, and manages relays for systems like fuel pump, headlights, wipers, horn, and cooling fan. The microcentral electrics unit in the 1998 to 2001 Audi A4 and S4 is a compact fuse and relay module typically located beneath the dashboard on the driver's side near the relay carrier. It manages power distribution for lower current interior systems such as lighting, central locking, indicators, and power windows. In the 1998 to 2001 Audi A4 and S4, the 8-point relay carrier is located under the dashboard, near or alongside the 13-point relay carrier on the driver's side. It holds up to 8 relays for systems such as the ABS, cooling fan, engine management, and heated rear window. In the 1998 to 2001 Audi A4 and S4, the 3-point relay carrier is a small mounting base located near the main relay panel under the driver's side dashboard. It holds up to 3 relays, typically for secondary systems such as fog lights, rear window defogger, or auxiliary functions. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.